So get the fuck out of your pedestals, of your cars, of your big bikes or your normal bikes, and start treating moped drivers like normal human beings and show them the fucking respect. Do you guys know what I have noticed since I bought the moped? We all trash and bash the moped riders. I'm not saying that the delivery guys and everything, I'm not saying that they don't drive like dickheads. Fair enough. What I've noticed so far is when I'm on the moped, and pay attention, I just have this moped for 3, 4, 5 days. I brought the moped out a couple of times in 5 days. And I've been riding my other motorcycle, the normal one, for, well, since 2019 here in the UK. So that'll be 6 years. What I have noticed in 5 days is the fact that the car drivers, the other road users, do not give two F's about mopeds. They do not show no consideration for mopeds. They treat them like they don't exist, and the consideration is zero. I noticed that in 5 days. So when we go and throw shade to the moped drivers, the delivery drivers and things like that, maybe that's a consequence of our own behavior, because we do not give them no respect at all on the road, and behavior generates behavior. So take this from a guy that rides a normal motorcycle for 6 years now and got a moped for 5 days. I've been bashed, I've been ignored, I've been given no courtesy at all on the road. And this includes the police itself. This includes the police itself. So, food for thought. Think about that when next time that you go bash the moped guys. Like Joe Swole used to say, do better. Do better. Because now, because all of this, I am pissed as well, and I'm going to be acting like a dickhead. Like I said, behavior generates behavior. So get the fuck out of your pedestals, of your cars, of your big bikes or your normal bikes, and start treating moped drivers like normal human beings and show them the fucking respect. Just saying. And this goes for the police as well.